Let's focus on helping pharma and biotech organization unlock the power of AI and next-gen technologies. Today, I will be talking about how AI-enabled data management is transforming drug development and making it smarter, faster, and more compliant. Why does this matter? Because clinical trials are becoming more complex and timelines are shrinking. Regulatory requirements are also increasing. The companies that can innovate in data management will not just survive, they will lead. Let's start with the reality many pharma companies face today. As you know, data is fragmented across multiple systems. EDC, lab, devices, EHR, processes are still manual and error prone. Getting to inspection readiness often means weeks of manual reconciliation and documentation. And the results? Longer cycle times, higher trial cost, increased compliance risk, and delayed patient access to life saving therapy. This is the gap where AI and next generation technologies can make a difference. Now, what happens when we apply AI to this problem? First, companies can innovate smarter. AI copilots help automate query resolution, drafting documents, and accelerating insights. Second, they can accelerate timelines. With the predictive monitoring and knowledge graphs, cycle times can be reduced by 45 to 50%. Third, they can deliver greater impact by ensuring faster compliance, better traceability, and audit readiness. We are enabling safer, more effective drugs to reach patients sooner. In short, AI transforms data management from back office function into a strategic enabler of drug development. Let's move to AI enabled data management in action. Let me show you how this works in practice. We have identified five powerful levers that reshape data management. First, AI Discrepancy Copilot. This automates query triage and drafting across EDC, lab, devices, and EHR systems, and many more. Instead of weeks of manual back and forth, queries are resolved in hours. Second, Standards and Metadata Hub. This automatically map protocol to CRF, to SDTM, to ADAM using CDISC and FHR standards. This result is consistency, speed, and compliance. Next, Gen AI Documentary Factory. This generates DMP, DRPs, audit checks, UAT scripts with audit ready citations. Regulatory documents that used to take weeks now take a fraction of the time. Next, predictive RBQM. This monitors signals across sites and endpoints to proactively manage risk, improve quality, and protect both timelines and cost. And last, end to end lineage knowledge graph, perhaps the most transformative. It provides one click traceability from e source to submission to approval logs. This means inspection responses that once took weeks now happen in minutes. Let's bring this life with a simple scenario. Imagine a sponsor preparing for an FDA inspection. Traditionally, teams scramble to link disparate sources, clinical data, submission packages, and approval logs. With Lineage Knowledge Graph, all of this is available in one click. The inspector asks a question, and within a minute, you can trace the data from its source through submission and approval. This is not just efficiency, this is confidence for sponsors, regulators, and ultimately for patients. And let's talk about the numbers. By implementing AI enabled data management, organizations are seeing 40 to 50% faster cycle times, cutting months off clinical trials, 35 to 40% cost savings, representing millions of dollars per trial. And perhaps most importantly, inspection readiness in minutes, giving regulators confidence and companies peace in mind. These are not incremental improvements, these are step changes in how pharma can operate. At Pragatech Leaders, we focus on turning innovation into results, and our role is threefold: strategy and AI implementation, helping how you design, deploy the right AI enabled solution. Second, end to end delivery, ensuring seamless execution from pilot to scale. And third, team upskilling, preparing your workforce to thrive in this AI driven world. We don't just advise, we partner with you to deliver impact. So, where do we go from here? AI in pharma data management is no longer optional, it is becoming the standard. Companies that act now will lead in innovation, compliance, and patient outcome. Now, explore how AI can accelerate your data management. Join the conversation. Follow Pragatech Leaders on LinkedIn. Visit our site aiinpharma.net and subscribe to our YouTube channel for deeper insight. Together, we can reshape pharma data management for the future, driving efficiency, reliability, and inspection readiness like never before. Thank you.